Hi, children and adults. I'm
Yeah.
Anna.
Yeah.
And Rashida just behind the camera.
Okay. Just the camera was almost going to fall.
Oh, wow. So what is the season now, Rashida?
Oh, I see leaves are falling. So
Yeah, Rashida and I just picked some leaves from outdoor, from our Kimbon's.
yeah, side yard, backyard. Yeah.
So we got all this, and we have red.
Okay. Let me
Yellow.
show the what Anna has and what Anna is going to make today.
Yeah, I see the different color of leaves. I'm gonna make a butterfly.
So Anna, can you tell children what do they need to make this butterfly? What do you have on your table? Just
Yes, I picked some different kind of leaves, and they're in different color.
different
Red,
shapes, different colors, and
yellow, right?
yeah, and different sizes, right?
And I'm gonna use them as the butterfly's wing.
And you need paper, right? Construction
paper. We need eyes. If you don't have googly eyes or paper eyes at home, you can just cut it. Use a small cut the corner and make a circle. Cut a circle and use a black color construction paper
to make
to
the
make
eyes.
the eyes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. The white part and the black part. Okay, so I'm gonna make this butterfly.
Do they need the glues?
Oh yeah, I need glue.
Okay, I see glue.
So, oh, this.
Look, Anna has collected leaves. Whoa.
And
I saw an ant there, Anna. Where did the ant go?
oh, run away. Yeah. It's already run away.
Okay.
Okay. Rashida, do you like this side or that side?
Which way is easier?
Which way? Which side look more beautiful? This side.
This is very bright. You can
Okay.
see.
So basically, you just put two bigger leaves on top, a smaller one at the bottom. That's the wings, 4 wings of your butterfly, and we need a body part. So let's see. Where are you? Oh, we need a skinny one, so you can put it there. Make it this way. It's up to you.
It's getting in shape.
Yeah, already look like a butterfly, but we want the wings look more beautiful. So we put some color. I just cut this leaf in a little bit small size.
So you use the
like
scissor?
that. Yeah.
How did you do that?
So I just cut it from up. See, this is too big, so I just cut it like that in a smaller size. Right? Hi.
Nicole, how are you?
Okay, how are you?
Good.
We are taking the video.
Can I pause, Anna?
Yeah, pause.
On.
Okay, finally I found this a little bit skinny leaves. It's good for the butterfly's body, right? And then I want to make it more beautiful. I want to put more color on it, so I found the small leaf. If you don't have this, if you can't find a small leaf like that, you can cut it. So pick up one and cut the shape you like. Like that. Right?
A circle.
Or whatever. Oval shape or circle shape.
Oh, for the
for the color, so I like this, so I put it there, and I found this perfect beautiful small leaves. They are yellow color, I'm gonna put it here. Put it there. Almost done, kids. But butterfly has what are those? Oh. I'm wearing mask now because we are in Kimbon. So Nicole, who worked for the church, she just passed by, so I wear my mask. So now I can take it off now. And the shooter is so distant between me. So I need a head, right? So I cut another small one. And the butterfly has 2 antennas. So I just cut the bottom part of the leaf. Right?
You use the scissor?
Yeah, cut it in half. Yeah. And like that.
So everything from leaves, right?
Everything,
Yeah.
everything. You see it? And I'm gonna put them on that side. And because we have more beautiful color leaves, I'm gonna make a smaller one with different color. And then, so now I'm gonna glue it.
So soon more leaves are going to fall because it's just the beginning of the fall, right?
Yeah.
So we didn't collect enough or various type of leaves, but maybe a week after there will be more different colors and more different shapes.
Sure.
Leaves will be available, right? On the floor, on the ground.
Yeah. So you can pick more beautiful.
So now what are you doing now, Anna?
Oh, I just
Tell our friend.
I just glue it. I want to make it stable. And I'm going to cut this off. It's too hard. So, see?
So they can ask for help too, right?
Yeah, and you have children, like a scissors, small scissor for children. I'm going to cut this part and put it together. See? And this is the head of your butterfly. And you antenna. Right? And then decorate the wings.
Yeah, because butterflies are very
Colorful and
colorful.
beautiful.
Yeah.
And do this. And this one too. Whoa. we have to be gentle, eh? You don't wanna tear these leaves.
Oh,
Here you go. Wow.
can you hold it for?
Love it.
Look, it's so beautiful.
Okay. And since we still have a lot of beautiful leaves there, I'm gonna make another one just right beside the big one. So a wing. See? This wing. And this is better, right?
Mm.
And then this. Okay, fine. And no, I don't want this. Look at this yellow one, is so beautiful. Can I cut this? Right? So it's fun. Do it with your parents or your caregiver at home. And if you need help, just ask for help. Help, please.
Yep.
So like that, right? And we need a body. And I'm gonna make this as a hat.
Isn't it nice? Like every season we have so many things to play with and have fun with, right?
Thank our nature.
Yeah, look at now it's getting little, days are getting shorter, but we can see so many colors.
And you can always cut the shape you want, like that. This is the body, and this is the head, right? And put it upside down. And two antennas. See, I find this one. Basically like that. And I want to use this so cute red one.
In our circle time, a couple of days ago, Elena was making something, remember? Some craft, and she made so many craft and her arts, right?
Yeah, and she loved drawing. Yesterday, is it yesterday or the day before, she showed us all her artwork.
Yeah, it's
So that is the another butterfly, right? I'm gonna glue it.
yes. So you can make your own crafts and arts, right? You can show us on our circle time. We can share it with other kids, right? With our other friends, right, Anna?
Yeah, and please remember that kids, they don't have to make a perfect shape or art like this. It's really look like a butterfly, but as long as they think it's a butterfly, even in different shape, it is a butterfly.
Or they can just play with the colors, right? They can
Yeah.
just stick them.
So
The
it's
leaf.
kind of fine motor.
Fine motor skill, is it?
Fine
Yeah,
motor
practicing
skills,
their fine
and
motor
they
skills.
notice the color and how to make it together. Hand, eyes, coordination.
Coordination. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now
That's for the butterfly.
let's have a close up. Beautiful. And with Anna, look. Bring it close to Anna. Wow. See, we are at Kimber here. Yeah, nice.
So I'm gonna save all these leaves, and we can make other craft. So don't forget tidy up.
Yeah, don't forget to tidy up, clean up your table after you finish your craft, right? Yeah, Anna is doing exactly doing that, right? Cleaning up. And she's going to put it where?
Oh.
In our center here. When you guys come back, we'll be able, maybe, yeah. So,
And you know what? Since we have this bigger one, if we still have 1 minute,
we can make another one.
I'm gonna do this. It's so quick.
You don't have to make it quick, Anna. Take your time and make it.
Sure.
Yeah, so show them slowly how to do that, right?
Yeah.
Because some little kids are going to watch you. How do? So for this one, what kind of leaf you?
Just some maple tree leaf, whatever. But you know what? I can only find the green one. So maybe next week you can find the other color red, like this red color maple leaf.
So
And yeah, just glue them together.
So you took 3 different sizes, right?
Different size, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Different size. You just put them together, glue them together like that.
Go.
Yeah, like Rashida said.
Yeah.
So usually when you pick leaves from your backyard or whatever, and you can see different size of leaves, right? Small, medium, big, and you just put some
So
glue.
they need 3 different sizes.
3 or
leaf.
more, 4
3 or more.
5.
Oh,
yeah.
okay. So
Do you know why? I'll tell you.
Okay.
Later. Okay, this one, the big one, medium size.
so big one first, and
First,
then
a big one on the bottom.
yes.
And then see, I put 4 leaves
4.
together. 1, 2, 3, 4 leaves, right? Just put them together and do you remember we prepare our eyes here, right? And we can put it on top of the leaves. Woo!
Wow.
Oh, I'm gonna glue it.
Eyes. Yeah.
Yeah, glue the eyes.
It's just a face, Anna.
And this a crazy face. No.
Yeah. Can they make a bird face or anything else? Can
Yeah. Okay, now when I put 2 eyes on, it's already crazy enough.
they? Ooh.
Is it like a face?
Yeah, it does.
And if I add something more, is it too big?
Oh,
Too big?
what is she going to do? Let's see.
Just add a tiny triangle.
Tiny triangle. So what the tiny triangle is
triangle.
going to do? Let's see. Oops.
What is that? So I'm gonna glue it.
You have to glue everything, otherwise it will come off, right?
Oh,
Wow.
what does this look like, Rashida?
It looks like some kind of scary bird.
Crazy
Yeah,
bird?
it's good for a Halloween. Halloween is yeah, knocking at the door. So yeah,
Right?
that's a nice one. Yeah.
So
So
today we got easy craft, 4 leaves crafts, a crazy bird, and beautiful butterflies.
they are all in our garden, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we still see butterflies around us. They didn't leave Canada yet.
Can we still see the butterfly in your garden?
Yeah, very little, like very small in number, but still there are few.
I saw a
I-
lot of
we don't-
flies, but not butterflies.
No, we don't see the monarch one anymore.
Oh,
They are gone, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
So, do you have any more, Anna? Or
One more?
yeah, we can do one more craft.
One
So,
more.
since you have more leaves, can we do another craft? 3.
Okay, we are gonna, since we still have a lot of beautiful leaves here, we are gonna do one more craft, leaf craft. So, Rashida, can you pick something? How about, oh, this one. This one's good. The
Oh.
big one.
You need one big leaf?
Because I saw this like a beak of a bird.
Oh, it does
Can
look
you
like
imagine
a bird.
it?
Bird's
It's-
body,
yeah,
right?
And this is the body and this is the tail.
Yeah.
But we need a wing, right?
Yeah. So for wing, you need a
Small
big one or a small one?
Is it too big, eh? How about
Yeah.
this?
You need a small one, Anna?
Yeah.
Okay.
See, this look like a bird's wing. Okay.
Mhm.
So we have a body. And this is as the beak. And And we can put it together like this, like the wing. And what else we need?
Bird
Feet.
has 2 feet and
And how about we put the eyes to see if...
eyes.
Oh, now you can see it's a birdie.
Chirrup, chirrup, birdie.
Got crows.
Beautiful birdie. So, and
we need maybe the bird standing on a branch, right?
Yeah.
And what else, Rashida?
How the bird is sitting there? It has 2 legs.
2 legs.
Yeah.
So we can try this one. 2 legs. Put it under. Does it look like a bird?
So it's are you going to stick it on the paper? So
Sure. Let's see.
can you show us step by step how
Okay.
our kids are going to do
So
it?
we need your glue stick, and actually I can just put some glue on the paper, construction paper. Right? And see here? And this is the bird's body. Oh, and the bird's eyes. Oops. This is pink. And the bird's wing.
Can the eye go a little bit?
Yeah, sure. You can always fix it, okay?
Yeah, you can always fix it, like Anna said. Yeah.
So, do you remember what I said before? Whatever the kids, we always follow the children's lead, okay?
Oh, it looks so beautiful, Anna. Look.
Wow.
Chirrup, 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 chirrup.
Chup, 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 chup.
It looks like a real bird, Anna. Look.
Wow.
So, it's very simple. Thank you, Anna. It's very simple. Oh, more artistic.
Yeah. Make it look more real.
So they can use other different shape
Yeah.
leaves, right?
Different shape.
Like, can you show us, Anna, some other leaf?
Oh, you mean this?
No, the bigger one, so that they can make a bird with those leaves. Like another type of shape. Do you have like this one?
Oh, yeah. Here, you got more.
Yeah, this kind of oval shape
Oval shape.
ones are good, right?
Yeah. And I think next week they are gonna become, the color will be more red, like this color.
Mm.
So, wow, I really love my birdie.
I hope your bird is not going to fly away.
Not fly away. Oh, look. Mr. Scary Bird, don't scare my bird away.
Anna is having fun. Look.
What?
So that's all for today, Anna.
Oh, this is really beautiful. Yeah. Here you go. That's all for today, right, Rashida? So we are gonna see you next time. Make more arts.
Yeah, so that's it.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.